Exercise 6. Write a program that asks the user to enter their age. Based on the age, the program should print whether the person is a child, a teenager, an adult, or a senior citizen. So let's copy this. Paste it here and make it a comment, a multi-line comment. So this will be similar to what we have done before. Age equals int input, and we use our prompt. Please enter your age. Then if age is greater than 0, and age is less than or equal to 12. This should be AND. If you make it OR, your code will behave differently. You can experiment and see. You can experiment and see. So again, as we said before, we don't print the output here in our if-else block. We only get the result and we'll print at the end. Of course, the age that you write here determines which operator you put here. We could also have put here age is greater than or equal to, and then change this to 13. It's the same thing. This last one doesn't need this last part. So if age is greater than 59, so this is child, teenager, adult, senior citizen. Then now we print after the if block. So if we run that, enter your age 8, you're a child, enter your age 54, you're an adult, enter your age 87, you're a senior citizen. We could also add here an entry, and say result equals invalid entry. Of course, we could also check if age is less than 0 up here on line 8 or here. There are many ways of doing it. So if we run this and we say -5, it says you're an invalid entry. "17, you're a teenager." Okay, so that's basically that. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.